Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, I just have to address this lighting. It is 1 o'clock. I feel like I film at this time sometimes, but the lighting today is just so weird. So I'm gonna apologize for that straight off the bat right now. I feel like it's a little dark and you can see like it's really exposed in some areas, but we're just gonna work with it because I just got my BOXYCHARM box today, and so obviously this is what we're gonna be doing. I'm super excited. I love getting this in the mail every single month. So yeah, if you want to see what I got in my October BOXYCHARM box, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went ahead and did my foundation and my eyebrows off camera. To start, I'm gonna go over this month's boxes theme.
This month's box theme.
Yeah, sure. It is the BOXYCHARM candy shop. So that's kind of cute. So this is what the card looks like. It's pretty cute. Ooh, it's like a haunted candy shop. If you look closely, there's like blood splattering over here and like a pair of scissors with a hand, and this is like blood, I'm assuming. I guess it is spooky season, but oh, candy shop, Halloween. Oh my god, why do I feel so, oh god.
I'm slow.
So the first thing in the box that I see, I obviously will not be using this on camera. This is the Spongely Cherry Tonka Musk Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer.
Wow, what a mouthful.
So this is the box that it comes in, and this is the little body wash scrub. This is kind of cool. It feels kind of like a hard spongy, like it's kind of a cool feeling, like it's one of those like satisfying things. Place sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb. Massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin. Squeeze out excess water after each use. It says these buffers with built-in body wash are infused with extracts of Yuza, YUZU, elderweiss, and vetiver root to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. So that's pretty cool. Definitely going to use that in the shower tonight. This product was $20. Jumping into yet another product that I'm not going to be using on camera today just because I already have my face done. This is the Frank Body Glow Mask. It says for bouncy skin, apply a thick layer 2 to 3 times per week. Massage into skin and leave for 10 minutes, rinse and glow. This moisturizing face mask is natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and gives skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. So that's pretty cool. I actually should have used this because we went to a wedding last night and my face was not very pretty waking up this morning. It needed all the help it could get, so I should have used this. It doesn't really have a scent to it. I don't really smell anything, so that's kind of nice. I don't use masks or anything like that often, so yeah, I'll definitely have to try this out and see what it's all about. And this little product right here was $21.95. All right, the next product that we're actually going to be using is, I'm actually really excited for this product because I've never got a face product that is for my skin tone, you know, in my box. Like it's always just like general stuff. This is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. I love me some full coverage concealer. They sent me the shade medium tan, and look at this big dofa applicator. Oh my goodness, I love these. This reminds me of like Tarte Shape Tape and the e.l.f. Full Camo Concealer. So excited about this, and it's really cute packaging. I've never tried Dose of Colors, so actually I'm really excited about this. This multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. And this concealer was $24, so right up there around with the Shape Tape price. So let's see what it's all about. We're just gonna start with a little bit and just, we can always add. Just gonna go right in under the eye, obviously. And I don't know how it is like drying wise, so I'm just gonna put it right there for right now, and then we'll go in and add more in a minute. Taking a total face sponge, just too lazy to go damp it, you know me, so I'm just gonna spray it with my setting spray and then go blend this out. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh my goodness, it is full coverage. Love that. Okay, this is like blending beautifully. I hope you guys can see it. I hope it's not too dark, but this is so good. And it is very like hydrating. It's not like matte or anything. Let's go in with the rest of our face now. I probably could have applied it. It did dry a little bit, but not as bad as like the e.l.f. Camo Concealer that dries so fast. I am like baking right now. Gosh, sitting under these lights, sitting right in the sun with this sweater on, it is like hot. My seat is, I'm sitting in a puddle of sweat right now. This might be my new favorite concealer. I've just applied it. I haven't like seen how it wears yet or anything, but I don't know. I have pretty high hopes for this. Okay, that is so pretty, like obsessed. Okay, I went ahead and finished my face and my lip. So moving on to our next product. It's this beautiful
Dirty.
Luxie little brush case, and you get 5 brushes inside, and I love Luxie brushes. They are so good. I got the only set that I have and that I love from another BOXYCHARM box close to a year ago or something, but I love these. You got a tapered blending brush, which is good for, you know, blending the crease, a brow and lash brush to really get in with those brows and to kind of separate your lashes, a smaller blending brush, which is good for like detailed work. We have a large shader brush, so this is good for like packing on colors, and I do that fairly often, so I really love this. And then lastly, we have a medium angled shading brush, so this is really good for creating, you know, that V corner and getting really detailed with your blending, so that's cool. These are so soft and they're such a cute color. Like I love this like little baby blue color that they are. So we are going to be using these today with our next product. Oh, and this case is so cute. It's like matte black leather kind of feel. It says Luxie right there with a like a rose gold zipper. Oh, my vibe. So cute. And this brush set was $40. Yeah, that's good.
That's some good stuff right there, okay?
And then our last product, it's the Siete London The Editor Palette New England. Oh my god, this packaging is so cute. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I love Siete London products. I've never seen any Siete London products in stores or anything like that, but I always just get them in my BOXYCHARM and I love them. And this palette, look how freaking cute that is. OMG. You guys are gonna be shook when you see the inside. Just shook. Holy heckin' bob. What the heck? Look at these shades. Oh my god, are they stunning or what? They just like glisten in the sun. Yes, mama. Yes, queen. I'm obsessed. And look at this humongous mirror. Look how big that is. That is so cool. Like, I love this. Inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumn hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. I'm so excited for this palette. Like it says, you have a ton of freaking shimmers and glitters in here. You have a few mattes and just a wide variety of color. And this palette was $32. Starting off, I'm gonna jump into this like very just natural color and kind of just set my whole entire eye. I still have glitter on my eye that will not come off from the wedding last night. Yeah, we're just gonna work around it, I guess. And I'm using the Luxie 209 large shader brush just to really just set our eye with that neutral color. Okay, this like big ass mirror is everything. This is the biggest mirror that I've seen on a palette ever, I think. So Siete London, you win for that for sure. I'm trying to decide what look I still want to create. I'm really being drawn to like these two glitters right here. They're just stunning and I never use colors like this. So I'm trying to like get out of my comfort zone just to not do a nude or basic look. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do something with those two. But first we're gonna jump into this like light brown shade. It's kind of like a medium brown. And we're just gonna blend that into our crease. These shades are so pigmented. Wow. That went on a lot darker than I thought. She's not very blended, but we'll come back to it, I guess. I'm shook at how pigmented it was. And I'm using the 205 tapered blending brush. Now I'm gonna switch to the Luxie 207 medium angled shading brush and take that same color and kind of just like pack it on the outer corner of our eye and blend it upwards. Next, I'm taking the Luxie 237 blending brush. It's just like a smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with this dark, deep brown right here, taking very little, and we're gonna like just work it right on our outer lash line, just to deepen that up a little bit. That's pretty. Alright, that is pretty. I'm gonna take that same brush and just go in with the first brown shade we used and go on our lower lash line. And I also took that second brown shade we used and kind of just put it right here on our lower lash line to connect it. And those shades are so pretty, like, oh, so pretty. Next, I'm gonna go in with this shimmer shade right here, just with my finger. Fingers always work best for shimmers and glitters. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm just going to be placing it on my lid, the inner part of my lid. This is so pretty. This look reminds me of like a Christmas color or something. Something you would see somebody wear during Christmas. So kind of weird to see it on me too. I really just like the matte look of this though. Like I would totally just wear it like this, but I want to use as many shades in the palette as I can to get the full review of it. Next, we're gonna be going into the shade color right next to it, this chunky glitter, and we're just gonna put this like right in the center of our lid, just to amplify it a little bit. See how it kind of just took it to a whole nother level, like, yeah, we went there. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this palette. I love this. It's so pretty. Out of my comfort zone, but it's pretty, okay? Next, I'm gonna be taking, this is not from the palette or anything, just a little brush, and we're gonna go in with this shade right here and pop it in the inner corner of our eye, just to really make it pop. I do this with any and every single look that I wear. Like I'm always putting a shimmer in the inner corner just because it like opens your eyes so much more. And I'm also gonna take that color and kind of place it on our brow bone. I need to pluck my brows, but today it just ain't the day. Okay, so here is the finished look. I like it. It's so pretty. My skin today feels just so good, and I want to believe that it's mainly because of this Dose of Colors concealer. This is probably my favorite thing out of the whole box, but I loved the whole box. The products that I tried anyway. This palette is so good. Like I love this. I can't wait to create more looks. Like I feel like this is gonna be great around the holidays. It's just got so many glam holiday colors in it, and super excited for this. These Luxie brushes, always been a fan, so I'm just excited that I got more. And let's go over the whole price of the box this month. So first we have this Siete London New England Editor palette, was $32. Luxie Wonderlist eye brush set were $40. Dose of Colors Meet Your Who concealer was $24. The Frank Body Glow Mask was $21.95. And lastly, the Body Wash Infuse Buffer was $20 for a total of $137.95. Like this was a great box this month. Way better than my last box. I will link it right here if you have not seen it. But yes, loved this month's box. Super excited about all these products, and I can't wait to keep using them. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next. If you also get BOXYCHARM products and you got some of the same items I got, leave a comment down below. I want to know what you thought about them. And yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Go out and make the world smile.
Guys, I can't look at this. Makeup on my white freaking shirt. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Now I'm gonna switch to, whoa.